Hello and welcome to the Symbio video channel. In this video, you're going to see how to manage the release cycle. In other words, we're going to put a released process into expired. Then we're going to reactivate it again by creating a new version. And this new version will be then sent into the release cycle again. So let's start here with a released process version. This is the version 4.0 we have at the moment. So in order to update the status to expired, the author of the process would go to the functional bar to change state. Then you would update the status to request to expired. You confirm by clicking OK here. And now in this very moment, the responsible of the process we see here on the right hand side in the detail content has received both an email and a task in Symbio. So let's log on as the approver. And then we navigate to the task board. So we first of all update the status from view to editor, then we navigate to my task, and here there should be the task with the request to put the process into the expired status. If you agree with this, you would accept. Then the task is gone as the approver has completed the task. And when we then log on as the original person, we see that the process has the status expired. So let's navigate to the processes. In the sub-navigation, when we go to the architecture with the expired versions and then navigate to the process, the end product should be the following. Here we see the version 4.0 of the process goods received with yard management is expired. Now this expired version can be reactivated again. That means the author of the process simply goes here to the functional bar and creates a new version. So the end product is then that a kind of copy is created, and you see now the version we have here is the 4.1, which is in process again. And then probably you would navigate to the graphical version of the process here by navigating probably to the graphical view, doing your amendments and your optimizations, and then you can send this process version into the release again by following more or less the same principle. You go to the functional bar, you go to change state, you update whatever is required here in this case. For example, here at the bottom, let's just go for the new version here. Also, the start of validity could be updated to the today's state, for instance. And then you update the status from in process to ready for release. You confirm by clicking on OK. And now let's navigate to the system again as the approver, who has now received a task and an email. And then the end product of this video would be when we go into the task board again, that this approver of the process would accept. And when we then navigate to the process, the end product is now a new released version with the 5.0. Thank you for having watched this video.